I am from West Africa, Burkina Faso. I was born there. I came into the United States with my younger sister when I was 10. My life before I came here was very hard. We were living in the villages with my grandmother because both my parents passed away when I was 7 years old and my sister was 4 years old. My journey to the United States was very fun, actually. I adapted very quickly. That wasn't a hard thing for me because I know how to survive. We learned how to survive growing up, especially not having anyone. I first discovered that I had immigration problems when I was 15 years old, going into high school, because I saw my friends getting jobs so they can be able to afford things during their senior year. I saw my friends taking trips. My best friend took a trip to actually go back home to Africa, and I've wanted to always go back home and visit my mother's tombstone. And then I asked if I can go, and then that's when I found out that I came here on a visitor's passport, and once I exit, I won't be able to come back in. We told a story to a very good friend, Sharon Thompson. Since the moment we met her, she's been so supportive of us. We told her our story, and she one day gave us a call, and she said, switch to this radio station, I want you to listen to something. And this was around Christmas time. So we switched to the radio station, and it's her on the radio station. They were doing Christmas wishes around that time. She said, I know 2 young girls, 2 orphans, they have no one. They really need their citizenship. Is there any way you guys can make that a Christmas wish for them? They told her to hold on a minute. They wrote her name down. They took her information, and they told her they would give her a call if they found someone that was able to fulfill that wish for her. She said not even 5-10 minutes later, the radio station called her back and pretty much told her that someone is going to take the case for the girls and is going to help the girls become a citizen. The feeling we had when we first heard the radio station conversation, it was just the greatest feeling ever because we finally saw hope. Me and my sister were so excited. We actually cried a lot because we finally saw hope to become normal, per se, like our friends around us. We were finally able to move forward and have our dreams come true, to be able to live in the United States and make our lives better. The day we met our attorney, Nayef Mubarak, was actually a week after the radio station conversation. He called us and set it up with Sharon, and she picked me and my sister up to come to the office. And we came to the office and had our first consultation with him. The marriage process for me and my husband, at first we thought was going to be very difficult and very nerve-wracking, but our attorney, Nayef Mubarak, made it very easy for us. He pretty much gave us the rundown of what would happen, and he told us to just be ourselves, be honest, be natural, and everything else will play out itself. And it absolutely did. We were ourselves. We were honest with ourselves. We were honest with the interviewer, and everything went very smooth. Next for me in this case is to become a naturalized citizen and to get sworn into the U.S. and not ever have to have that scare or that fear of deportation and having to go back home, or what's going to happen next. Am I going to be okay? Is there a new law that's going to come out to where I'm not going to be okay? So all of my scare thoughts and worries are going to go away once I become naturalized. But just be honest with yourself, be honest with your attorney, be honest with your spouse, and everything will be just fine. Honesty is the key.
Thank you.